160,000 gearboxes per year are manufactured at the Siemens Geared Motor Factory in Tübingen. The batch sizes in production include between 1 and 1,200 units.
Die hohe Varianz bedeutet für uns,
for us, the high variance means that we must also have a high manufacturing depth at the location. We are able to quickly react with the products we are manufacturing: gears, shafts, and machined cast components. Like in any other sector, it goes without saying that also in machining production, the economic feasibility needs to be kept in mind. We are using machines which have been manufactured in different years with various SINUMERIK generations. With a view to digitalization, the staff of the Tübingen factory gradually connects all the machines to the company network. In order to achieve highly productive manufacturing, the factory is using solutions from Siemens PLM and SINUMERIK. The central element on the way to the digital factory is an integrated CAD/CAM CNC chain, starting in the development department. For a very long time, we've already been using a central data management system via Teamcenter, which provides excellent options. We can, for example, easily exchange information with our affiliated plant in China. We're working with common data which need not be sent back and forth. We already approached the topic of Siemens NX a long time ago, which allowed us to finally reduce the number of working hours. The migration costs were much lower than initially feared, and today we have the possibility to continue the chain without gaps. By using Manage MyPrograms, we were able to install the CNC programs on the machines, which is a further step that we have recently taken. And the migration, which we performed 6 months ago, was worth the effort. Manage MyPrograms allows us to automatically store versions, retrieve revision statuses, and reproduce them, and obtain time-based change stamps. Parts tracking is ensured by marking the components. The program versions can be traced on the basis of this marking. Thus, we can compare existing programs with older versions. Manage MyPrograms helps us maintain a global overview. Up to 10 different parts are manufactured on the machines. A large number of these are special parts, from gear wheels to hollow shafts through to milled coupling pieces. The benefit compared to before, you can easily obtain an overview of all programs, so you can see whether they've already been carried out, whether they've been optimized, and possibly which programmer generated them. On the machine, we're manufacturing bearing shields, adapter plates, and flanges. We use Manage MyPrograms to retrieve the programs from our programmers. After receiving the programs, we must adjust them accordingly, particularly the feeds, to ensure that the roughness depth is correct. After optimizing a program, we can directly forward it to the programmers. The program is then stored on the server and can be retrieved from there again and again. Actually, I've managed to use the system from the very beginning. It was briefly explained to me, and the handling was rather easy. Manage MyPrograms provides the following 3 main benefits. First, the reversioning of our program statuses. Second, a significantly improved usability of the user interface. Third, we achieve a productivity gain in the order of 10%. Even with mixed machinery, we can effectively take steps towards digitalization. The first productivity gains already become visible during the introductory phase. Next, we plan to broadly disseminate Manage MyPrograms. We've already initially tested Analyze My Performance. That means the visualization of working times, downtimes, and setup times. We aim at selectively rolling out Analyze My Performance on machines where we see more potential, and then learn more about the reasons for downtimes and setup times in order to further optimize these machines to ensure maximum machine utilization. For us, digitalization is a chance to accelerate processes to also competitively manufacture here in the high-wage country of Germany. This is a big challenge for our production at this location.